Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate hummus. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly rinsed and drained. Next, grab 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup for sweetness. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of your favorite creamy nut butter, like almond or cashew, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. These simple items are all you need for a delightful treat. Now, let's get blending. Add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed food processor. Make sure everything is in there, ready to go. Begin processing on a low setting, gradually increasing the speed. You'll want to continue blending until the mixture transforms into a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. Don't forget to pause and scrape down the sides of the processor bowl a few times to ensure everything is fully incorporated. Once blended, check the consistency. If your hummus seems too thick, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or a plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired creaminess. Now, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the sweetness with more maple syrup or add extra cocoa powder for a richer chocolate flavor. Chill your delicious chocolate hummus for at least 30 minutes before serving. It's wonderful with fresh fruit, pretzels, or graham crackers. To keep your chocolate hummus fresh, transfer any leftovers into an airtight container. It will happily stay delicious in your refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it a great make-ahead snack or dessert. Enjoy it throughout the week whenever a sweet craving strikes. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.